Hello friends, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, The Graphics and Multimedia, and my name is Rafi Yakub right here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can get a Chinese phone number. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how to get a Chinese phone number for your business or whatever you want to do online. But before we dive deeper into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's get started and see how to get a Chinese phone number for free. So the 41st website I have for you guys right here. So I'm going to go to my address bar here. I will make a new tab. Then the very first website I have for you is www.avoxi.com. All right, so here is the site. So this site here has a great phone number for any country. But in this tutorial, I will show you how you can get a Chinese phone number from this particular website. So when you open up the site like this, then the next thing you want to do is to navigate to products at the top right here. Make sure you navigate to products. So from products, you're going to see a bunch of different services that this particular site offers. Then what you want to do right here is to navigate to local DID. Okay. Then it take you right here. So let's quickly see and let's check the review of how you can get the number and what are the things you can use their number to do. So right here, buy a local numbers online and start forwarding calls in a minute. Virtual local plan including 20 plus VoIP features and local business phone numbers available by in thousands of cities. Then transfer your local business number to this particular website and get a free course for a month. Then no setup fee or contracts. Try the best local number service and a risk-free. So these are the stuff you can get from this particular website when you use their number. Right here, for you to get a China phone number, you have to come to the box right here. Make sure you click on this this box right here. Then from this point here, this is where you need to choose. So right here, you have to choose China. The minute you choose China, there are about 400 China national. So just click on here, then you choose the region that you want to pick the number. Let's say, for instance, you need a number from Beijing. So when you select the number from Beijing, then you are going to be provided with available number. Then select your plan. So for you to get a number, you have to click on here and then you can pick on any of this one right here. These are the number that is associated to Beijing in China. So and you have to click on here to select your plan. So when you select your plan, then you go ahead and get the number. Then right here, you can also use this chat box here to talk to the customer support online about this particular service as far as Avoxi.com website is concerned. Then we can also scroll down and see some of the stuff about this particular phone number. What are the things you need to get down as far as this website is concerned? Right here, how long does it take to get a local number? These are just FAQ questions. Activate your virtual local number instantly. If the email you provided is not associated with your business, your local number service may not be activated until an Avoxi expert is able to confirm your account detail, and this is take between 15 minutes or less to confirm your business. So you can read all these particular FAQ and then you are good to go and place your order to get your free try of any country of your choice. But in this video, I'm showing you how to get a China phone number for your business. So let's take a look at another website I have for you as far as a China phone number is concerned. So the next one I want to show you right here is Sonetel.com. So Sonetel.com. All right, so this site also offer a bunch of phone number at a very cheap rate if you go for their premium package. So their premium package starts from 1.79 cents USD per month. So you can see it right here. So that is for their premium package. Okay. Now for you to get a China phone number from this particular website, it's a very simple step you have to take. So you can come to the top right here and create a free account. So when you create a free account, then you come down right here and you click on this point right here. Then you have to scroll down and you look for China. All right, so this is China. So when you select China, they are going to present you with the number of cities that are available. So right here, you can click on Beijing. So from here, you will see more region as far as China city is concerned. So we can scroll down and you can see right here, we have Beijing and Shanghai. So Shanghai is about 21 people. So you can pick on any one of your choice. And right here, you can see once you click on Beijing, then they are going to provide you with number. Okay. And you can contact the support on the site right here using this chat box to talk to them. What are the things you can benefit from this particular site? So let's take a look. So right here, these are the benefits that you can get when you purchase their number right here, when you go for their premium. So these are the stuff. Then you can click on read more right here to see more details about what you stand to benefit when you use this particular site to get your China phone number. So let's take a look at another site I have for you as far as getting China phone number is concerned. So the next one right here is global. So you can see right here, globalforwarding.com. All right, so when you launch into the site, this is how it's going to look like when you get to the global forwarding, coreforwarding.com is concerned. And then you can easily scroll down for you to get your number. It's a very simple step you need to take. What you need to do right here is that you just have to come to virtual phone numbers. Just click on virtual phone numbers under the products. Then it take you to this page. Then what you need to do next is to scroll down, and right here you have to click on China. Right here you can see China. So select China. Then you have your stuff like this. Then buy Chinese virtual phone numbers online, forward calls or to any location and device. Make outbound calls. 20 plus cloud phone features included. Establish a local presence in China. Try risk-free with no contract. Then you can easily fill your plan right here and see details about this website phone number. So what are the other feature services you can get? You can still read them right here. IVR, auto attendant, cloud call forwarding, recording, virtual voicemail, call flow designer, times of day routine, geographical routine, simultaneous ringing, sequential forwarding, etc. So there are much you can benefit when you use this particular site virtual phone number for your business. So you can scroll down right here for you to start your free trial. You can click on try a free trial and then get a live demo and see how you can get your number. And you can scroll down and you read more. These are the steps you need to follow when you are trying to get your number from this particular site. It's a very simple 13 step that you need to follow and activate your number. Then you are good to go. So you can also make use of their chat box right here and talk to their online customer support if you have something that is not really clear to you. And currently this particular site here is about 150 plus country phone numbers available across the globe, and they have a 24/7 customer support with over 26 years experience and the like. So you can scroll down right here and then read some of their FAQ right here. So you can see there are a lot of FAQ that are related to China phone number right here that you can read, and you get more understanding as far as this particular website is concerned on getting a free Chinese or a free China phone number without any stress. Also, this is what I have for you as far as getting China phone number online is concerned. I hope you really find this video useful. If you like this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this about getting phone number online for free. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Bye for now.